In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send .exe or .rar files in Gmail. If you've ever tried this, you may have encountered Gmail's security restrictions. Gmail typically blocks these types of files because executable files, in particular, can potentially contain harmful code. These measures are designed to protect users from malicious activities. But don't fret, because there are some clever workarounds that can help you send these files securely and efficiently. The first technique we'll explore is file compression. By compressing your file, you're essentially packaging it into a format that Gmail finds acceptable. For this, you'll need a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip. These programs allow you to convert your file into a .zip or .rar archive. An added benefit of compressing your file is that it often reduces the file size, which can be quite handy. Once you've successfully compressed your file, the next step is to change the extension of this compressed file to something acceptable by Gmail's filters. A simple method is to rename the file extension to something like .txt or any other non-recognized extension that won't get flagged. Remember, when changing the extension, it's important to communicate what the original file extension was to your recipient. They'll need to know how to change it back so they can access the file properly. After renaming the file, you can attach it to your Gmail message just like you would with any other attachment. Simply click on the attachment icon, find your renamed file, and attach it. With this, your file is ready to be sent to the recipient. Now, if you don't want to deal with compression and renaming, consider using a cloud storage service like Google Drive. This provides a seamless alternative. Start by uploading the executable or .rar file directly to your Google Drive account. Once it's uploaded, right-click on the file and select Get Shareable Link. This link can be easily copied and pasted into your Gmail message and sent to your intended recipient. The recipient can then click on the link and download the file directly from Google Drive without needing any additional instructions on accessing it. This method is not only convenient but also effective in bypassing Gmail's restrictions. So there you have it, 2 simple methods to send .exe or .rar files using Gmail. Whether you choose to compress and rename the file or use Google Drive to create a shareable link, both approaches are effective in ensuring your files reach their destination safely. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you with your email attachments in Gmail.